today's case confirmation, as you said just a second ago, does bring the statewide case count now to 4 cases of monkeypox. Now, that is a number that medical officials, well, they expect that number to grow.
Anyone can get monkeypox. And if someone is concerned they may have it or may have been exposed, they should talk to their doctor.
As the spread of monkeypox continues across the United States, Arkansas is not immune to new cases, with a 4th new case identified Thursday. State health officials tell 4029 News Arkansas's cases do not include children or any pregnant women. But State Health Director Dr. Jennifer Dillehay tells me they do expect the number to grow.
So it's possible that, we will see additional spread as a result of either that or just interaction, the skin-to-skin, intimate skin-to-skin interaction. So we anticipate that we will see additional cases in Arkansas.
She adds they're also concerned about additional spread, especially as classes at the U of A resume in less than a month, with thousands of students living in close quarters and possibly mixing beds.
One of the concerns, of course, would be bed linens in a household. So it would be important for the person who has monkeypox, they're able to do their own laundry. Laundry will take care of the virus.
In terms of treatment and vaccine availability, that's not a problem, as the state has 10 treatments of the TPOXX antiviral medication, as well as 800 doses of the Jynneos vaccine on hand, with additional doses coming soon if needed. Now, Paige, I did press Dr. Dillehay this afternoon for some more information on those 4 cases, such as a breakdown of, are those 4, are they all male, all female, half and half, vice versa. The Department of Health isn't ready to release those demographics just yet, but they did tell me that should cases across the state really start to surge like COVID did, then they will most likely release the types of data in terms of, this county has so many cases and the county next to it has so many, and so forth and so on. We'll just hope that doesn't happen. We're live in Bella Vista. Robert Sir, 4029 News.